Hi there and welcome to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beautiful little felt poinsettia. You're going to need templates. These can be downloaded from todaywecraft.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. You'll also need felt in green and red, some little gold beads, needle and thread, and sewing scissors. Start off by cutting out your template. There are 3 sizes in the petals and 1 in the outer leaves. Place your templates on the felt, draw around using a pen or a fabric marker and cut out. Putting the leaves aside for a moment, we're going to concentrate on the petals. Double thread your needle and tie a strong knot in the other end. Fold your petal in half and put in a couple of stitches at the base. This will help it to hold a nice petally shape. Continue this all the way around for the other petals. Once you have your 3 sizes completed, stack them all together and put a couple of stitches right through the middle to secure. Repeat this process for the green leaves too. Place your green leaves over the back of your poinsettia flower and line them up so that the leaves fit within the gaps. Use a rough running stitch to sew the 2 leaf pieces together. If you're enjoying this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on future videos. Giving this video a like means we know what videos you like the best and helps us to make more content. Insert your needle right through the centre of the flower. Now we're going to add the beads. Thread a single bead onto your needle and then push it back through to the reverse of the flower. Repeat this process until you have a nice little cluster of beads in the centre. I've used gold beads for this project, but feel free to use wooden beads or cream coloured beads, anything you can get your hands on. Cast off on the back of your flower and that's your poinsettia complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do remember to subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it helps out the channel massively and means we can continue to make you videos. If you have a moment, here's some more videos that we think you might enjoy. Happy sewing, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.